Wis. Mulai dong. Iki rung metu. Orangnya sing join. Langsung
lah.
Hello everyone, welcome to SMK Negeri 1 During Live Streaming Podcast. I'm Nazala and I'm with my friend. They are Robbie and Ferry.
Hi, how are you today?
Hi.
I'm fine, nice to meet you.
Hi, I'm fine too. Nice to meet you. On this nice occasion, we are going to talk about local product. As we know, there are various local products in our surroundings. I will discuss about local product. How do you feel about the extinct local product as still the local product in Klaten?
Local product is product that belong to a certain and has its own characteristic that distinguishes it from other culture. In Klaten, there are many local products, such as paint, umbrella, waterly, ruling.
Local culture Islam includes many things, namely traditional ceremonies, product, culinary, dance, and other. Local culture in Indonesia is always tied to a geographical location that is from religious values, custom, ancestral heritage, as well as culture in Klaten district, where each region has its own function.
As Robbie said, that Indonesia has a variety of local culture, and because of the diversity of culture, it can become a state asset and national identity that other nations do not have. Examples of local culture are traditional ceremonies. Traditional ceremonies are an integral part of the culture of the sporting community. The preservation of the traditional ceremony is possible for the life of the sporting community. Traditional ceremonies will express essential if they do not have a function in the life of the sporting community. Traditional ceremonies contain various rules that must be obeyed by members of the sporting community. The rules grow and develop from generation to generation with a role that can preserve social culture.
Here we will discuss about the painted umbrella in Zuireng. Can you explain what Zuireng painted umbrella is?
The beautiful Klaten umbrella craft is known as the Zuireng umbrella. This umbrella is made of paper and decorated with beautiful colors. The umbrella name is taken from the craft producing area, namely Zuireng, Central Java.
As this umbrella been around since ancient times.
Umbrella Zuireng has been around since the Dutch era. In the past, this umbrella was synonym with that ceremony in the village. Before, in the past, umbrella Zuireng had a plain and dark color, unlike today, which is brighter.
Why did this umbrella change the color of the painting?
Yes, umbrella made of plastic heads without the existence of payung Zuireng. Naturally, because at the time plastic umbrella were considered the material was not actually damaged and the color was also more lively. Starting from there, now payung Zuireng has a more unique shape and more attractive color. This has proved to be about the first demand, both from within the country and from abroad.
Did the village there also make this painted umbrella?
The traditional craft business of payung Zuireng is expected to now only 25 cremates are still actively involved in this business. They left to survey while creating innovative product to penetrate the umbrella manufacture computer. Various efforts have been taken, but it has not yet appeared to be squirming from the root of business obscurity.
Jewelling umbrella is a beautiful handmade umbrella in Klaten, Central Java. It is made of paper and cloth and painted in attractive colors.
What is being used to paint the painted umbrella?
Having existed since the Dutch era, this umbrella was only used for funeral rites in the local village.
What color do painted usually use to painted umbrella?
At the beginning of the appearance of the jewelling umbrella, this umbrella has plain colors and tended to be dark, such as brown, black, and maroon.
What material are used to make this umbrella?
The material for making this umbrella is thick paper, like cement wrapping paper.
Why do people choose to buy this umbrella?
People choose this umbrella because the material was durable and colorful, and also the price was relatively cheaper.
How much do this painted umbrella cost?
The price of this umbrella was also very cheap, only 15,000 per umbrella. However, in recent years, jewelling umbrella has experienced an increase in the demand followed by an increase in its selling price. What kind of umbrella are sold there? It varies.
Various types of umbrella are marketed, starting from umbrella for heat, umbrella for protection from heat and rain, umbrella for the place, decoration umbrella for hotel and restaurant. Also a luxury from lampshade umbrella.
How much profit do you get from this business?
The turnover of umbrella sales range from 20 million to rupiah 16 million per month. Pak Ngadi wants to interest with turnover a minimum of either 100 million to either to 200 million per month.
What's so interesting about this umbrella?
The unique shapes and color that have now been motivated as success in attracting the interest of tourists and consumers.
What do you use usually use the umbrella for?
Jewelling umbrella are currently more often used for art properly, decoration and interior complement. Usually, jewelling umbrella are usually used as accessories in hotel, offices and luxury homes with natural nuance. Najala, please explain the development of this Mutirahayu painted umbrella from the past until now.
During umbrella craft had experienced a golden era. This happened when people left were still under the government of the Surakarta Hadinir Kesunanan Bridge. Order for umbrella needs a crowd, so the Jureng area is famous for producing various types of umbrella for the bridge need. Umbrella with the best quality used to come from this area and had exported in Haiti around the 1960s. It is the Pinda Aneka Umbrella Factory, a kind of cooperative that used to accommodate
Of surrounding
Wajar.
to then be market to the archipelago and abroad. Unfortunately,
16 egg for market the and of its glory, because its production umbrella was less competitive with modern plastic umbrella for China.
Perry, can you describe a little about Mr. Ngadi, the owner of this home production?
Yes. Ngati is one of the craftsmen in this village who still cares about the section of paint umbrella. So in 1998 he began to cultivate the business inherited from his parents. At that time he still made painting umbrella as a side job. Then in 2006 he prepared more and more order until in 2013 he decided to start focusing on making umbrella and format the paguyuban payung lukis Muti Rahayu.
Is this painting umbrella business only for profit?
No, this business also aims to be a class of education about painting umbrella for visitors.
Was this business built and capitalized by Pak Ngati himself?
Yes, even though some visitors from Astra Syariah, an insurance company, Mr. Teddy once offered him a capital loan to develop his business. It is because for him the loan can become a burden for him as well as his business. But he asked, but instead he chose to ask for donation for his painting umbrella association to him.
What is the material for making this umbrella? Please explain the Robbie.
The essence of making umbrella is on the bamboo frame and painting cloth.
Is
No.
the material for making umbrella always available?
No, until now the availability of this framework is still one of the obstacles when many orders come simultaneously. Another obstacle facet is the matter of raw materials. The raw material of making this umbrella does not come from the environment around Zurich, but is still imported from the slope of Manor Merapi. The raw material or combo and what with the type of flower normal. This type of wood was cautioned because the trick grows quickly with a softer texture, so that is easy to work with. There are many types of umbrella product in Ngudi Rahayu, starting from the majestic umbrella for the kingdom, the rain umbrella, the decorative umbrella, dance umbrella, ritual umbrella, and many more.
Or did he solve the problem?
Therefore, Pak Ngati is assisted by Pak Srisyono and his wife. In a week, on average, Siryono and his wife are able to complete two-handed until five-handed umbrella frames. He added the amount he worked on usually matched the number of orders.
Mention the term in the manufacture of painting umbrella.
1. Bungkul, part of the umbrella frame that is used to combine the support and so that the umbrella open perfectly. 2. Manufacture. 3. Mayu, gluing the wood frame with cloth. 4. Melipit, the remaining part of the fabric on the outside of the frame is folded inward to make it neat. 5. Nyulam, embroidering on the soto and sanggan. 6. Gimyoki, mounting accessories on umbrella. 7. Umbrella assembly, in stacking umbrella arranged from the top small to the bottom big. 8. Stamp installation, 9, 9 menu installation, 10 finishing or varnish and paint. The skillful hands of paracustis manually paint one by one the traditional umbrella at this final stage.
Whereas this painted umbrella been exhibited.
The Ministry of Tourism did not ignore the extent of this creative industry. Some time ago, Ngadi Yukur, with the support of the Ministry of Tourism, claimed to have exhibited his work to Dubai, Berlin, and Thailand.
How much do this umbrella usually sell for?
The average price of the Jubiling umbrella is 15,000, but it also depends on the type of umbrella motif and the pattern made. Even for an ancient unique pattern one, it can reach a price of up to millions of rupiah.
How can we buy this painted umbrella?
We can buy this umbrella directly to the production house at Gumantar, Tanjung Juwiring, Klaten, Central Java.
The process of making painting umbrella has its own philosophy. Here we umbrella relate to leadership style, governance, and politics, while in the metaphor right in through leadership.
Okay, next from use about wearing painted umbrella. Muti luhur.
Thank you for joining live streaming podcast Tim 2. Thank